Hello, my name is Max. I'm CTO and co-founder at Supervisely. Today, me and my partner Dennis are excited to announce the launch of a new resource with curated computer vision datasets. It's called datasetninja.com. There, data scientists and data experts can quickly search and explore all computer vision datasets with rich visualizations and statistics. And in this quick video, I will show you how it looks like. Let's start. Let's go to datasetninja.com. On the main screen, you will see the list of datasets with preview visualization, and also there are a lot of filters there. You can filter by industry, modality, task type, or find a specific class among all datasets. Let me show you all interactive tools that we have for every dataset. Let's open the Pascal Walk, one of the most famous dataset for segmentation and detection in computer vision. On the dataset page, you will be able to find all relevant information about the dataset, including links to homepage, research papers, introduction, and short summary. Here we see some visualizations for every class. In Expert Insights section, we highlight some most interesting facts about the dataset. In Explore section, you can preview images with annotations. You can click on the image, preview it, and also you can scroll down and explore all other images in the dataset. Also, on the class balance table, there are some basic statistics presented for every class. You can click, if you want, for example, to preview objects of class car, you can click to this row for corresponding objects and see all images where the car is annotated. The same for co-occurrence matrix. It's a very useful tool. For example, I can find all images where at the same time objects of class boat and motorbike are labeled. Here it is. We can scroll down and see the list of all images. We can sort specific column and click to the row to preview the image. In my case, it's the image with the largest number of airplanes in it. Object distribution tool allows you to find some outliers in your data. For example, in that case, we have in our dataset 2 images where you see 34 objects of class bottle. I can click this cell and quickly preview these images with all these bottles on it. Class sizes stats also provide some aggregated statistics for every class. And we have some other tools. I like spatial heat map because it allows to find where in average the object is located on the image here. And of course we have the list of all objects in the dataset. You can sort by specific column. And in my case, for example, I can find some interesting use cases where the bot is labeled as a mask with a height of only 1 pixel. That's also a useful tool to find inconsistencies and edge cases in your data. So, and for sure we provide the license and the link to original source, citation page, and download. You can download the entire dataset or the sample dataset in a single format. We convert all datasets that we have in Dataset Ninja to Supervisely format, so it will be really convenient for data scientists to work only with one format instead of hundreds. And also we put the links here to original files, so you can download the data in original format as well. And lastly, Dataset Ninja is integrated with Supervisely. You can press Training Supervisely button and add this dataset to your Supervisely account and start experimenting with state-of-the-art neural networks and preview your data, maybe correct it. So all benefits of computer vision platform with all tools are available for you in just a few clicks. You don't need to convert the data. Everything will be done automatically. So I encourage you to try this tool. Please, if you find it useful, share it with your friends. Press the likes button and subscribe to our channel to watch more tutorials on modern computer vision tools. Thank you for watching. See you. Goodbye.